Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad with international news around the world. In Pakistan, Lahoris remain indoors as mercury hits 43 centigrade. Health experts advise Lahoris to remain indoors and not get out for any unnecessary reason as the temperature hit 43 centigrade. According to the Met Office, the temperature was 43 centigrade, but the real field index put it at 47 centigrade. It added that occasional wind that hits the city was recorded at 5 km/h. Citizens 18 and above can now walk in for vaccinations. Walk-in vaccination facility to all citizens above 18 will be open starting from Friday. From 11th June onwards, 18 years plus citizens will be able to avail the walk-in facility in vaccination centers. Israeli airstrikes kill 11 Syrian troops. The strikes were the first carried out by Israel in Syria since 11 days of heavy fighting with the Hamas rulers of Gaza ended with an Egyptian brokered ceasefire on May 21st, the Britain-based War Monitor said. Senate passes bill to boost US ability in competition with China. The US Senate voted 68 to 32 on Tuesday to approve a sweeping package of legislation intended to boost the country's ability to compete with Chinese technology. United States to donate 500 million Pfizer vaccine doses to low-income countries. The Biden administration plans to donate 500 million Pfizer coronavirus vaccine doses to about 100 countries over the next 2 years. Nuclear talks to resume ahead of upcoming Iranian election. Negotiation between Iran and world powers on how to revive 2015 nuclear accord will resume over the coming weekend. 10 mine clearing workers killed in Afghanistan gun attack. Masked gunmen have stormed the compound of a mine clearing organization in northern Afghanistan, killing at least 10 workers and wounding 16 others. India records world's highest daily COVID-19 deaths after state revises numbers. India reported on Thursday the highest single-day death toll from COVID-19 in the world, at 6,148 after a big eastern state revised its figures to account for people who succumbed to the disease at home or in private hospitals. Woman in South Africa gives birth to 7 boys and 3 girls. A South African woman on Monday, June 7 reportedly gave birth to 10 children, including 7 boys and 3 girls, and could break the Guinness World Record. French PM Jean Castex quarantines himself after his wife tests positive for coronavirus. Castex has received a first AstraZeneca vaccination against COVID-19 and had a negative test in the evening. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself and stay tuned with CID News Network, Islamabad.